In this video, we listed the 5 best camping table on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TARKA Outdoor Table. The DZQ Camping Folding Table is a portable and versatile piece of outdoor furniture originating from mainland China. Made of aluminum alloy in a sleek black color, this table is designed to be both foldable and portable, making it easy to transport and set up for various outdoor activities, such as parties, picnics, BBQs, and camping trips. With a recommended weight-bearing capacity of 20 to 25 kilograms, it offers firm and durable support, showcasing excellent bearing force. This multi-purpose table falls under different categories including camping equipment, portable foldable desk, hiking picnic folding tables, and outdoor camping table, catering to a wide range of outdoor needs. Its compact size and sturdy construction make it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a convenient and reliable surface to use in different settings. Number 2. Qualitior Camping Table. The quick folding table exudes a modern European and American style, offering a convenient and stylish outdoor furniture solution. Designed to accommodate up to 8 individuals, this square-shaped table is made of aluminum alloy, providing a sturdy and durable structure. Originating from mainland China, this table is specifically crafted for outdoor use, catering to activities such as camping, fishing, beach outings, and garden gatherings. With a foldable design for easy storage and transportation, it is a versatile piece suitable for various outdoor settings. The product's sleek black color and customizable features make it a practical and attractive addition to any outdoor space, combining functionality with contemporary design elements. Number 3. Ultralight Aluminum Camp Table. The Lighten Up Camping Folding Table is designed for convenience and portability, featuring a compact foldable design that is easy to carry and store without taking up much space. The table's fast folding mechanism, utilizing a buckle design, allows for quick installation without the need for additional tools. With a sturdy structural design incorporating multiple buckles on the table legs and tabletop, the product ensures durability and stability even under maximum weight tests. The use of waterproof coated aluminum alloy material makes the tabletop easy to clean, while the 7075 aluminum alloy construction strikes a balance between lightweight and robust qualities. The table also boasts an anti-slip design on its legs, providing stability for various indoor and outdoor settings. Available in 2 sizes and a sleek silver color, this camping folding table from Lighten Up offers practicality and reliability for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4. Outdoor Camping Table. The Alouette Outdoor Camping Table embodies a minimalist modern style, offering a sleek and contemporary outdoor furniture solution. Designed for up to 4 individuals, this rectangular table features a self-contained installation method, making it easy to set up and use. With a foldable design for convenient storage and portability, this table is customizable and tailored for outdoor use. Originating from mainland China, the Alouette table combines functionality with style, catering to a wide range of outdoor activities. Its versatile design and modern aesthetic make it a practical addition to any outdoor space, providing a stylish and functional surface for various outdoor gatherings and adventures. Number 5. Folding Camping Table. The All-1045 Outdoor Table by Stain Below Steel embodies an American country style, offering a charming and rustic outdoor furniture option. This rectangular table, suitable for up to 6 individuals, features an assembly installation method and is made of durable aluminum. With a modern appearance and customizable design, this table blends functionality with style, making it a versatile addition to any outdoor setting. Originating from mainland China, the All-1045 table provides a spacious surface area of 14,07070 cms, catering to various outdoor activities and gatherings. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, while the inclusion of a storage network adds to its practicality. Ideal for both specific outdoor use and general outdoor furniture needs, this table combines a classic American country aesthetic with modern functionality.